This is the RYOBI backpack sprayer. It comes with a battery. I think it's a 4-volt battery. You can put the upgraded version for longer use time if you'd like. The controls are on the left side. This is just going to be the amount of power to the spray. So if you're really trying to get it to go further or extend the coverage, then you're going to have it at the max capacity. Otherwise, if you don't need as much spray coming out, then you're going to go with the lower setting. So it's easy to reach and turn on and off. Tube right here is tied to the right side. So if you're lefty, righty, the tube's long enough for you to have full coverage and not actually have a problem reaching anything. It comes with multiple tips so that you can actually adjust your spray pattern to be a wide spray or direct spray, which is kind of nice. We use the wide spray because we're going after trees and spraying a fungicide, organic fungicide or insecticides. So I use this one here for insecticides and fungicides. I have a rinse after every use so that I make sure that this is going to stay in good condition. Also that I'm not going to be contaminating in between what I'm trying to actually reach my objective. So that's great. But that being said, I do like it so much that I bought a second one. And the second one is for the not so nice chemicals, and that's going to be things that are going to be used for poison ivy or other bramble bushes, things that we're going to be clearing in the woods. But in order to not actually go between the two, we have a second one for that. You'll hear the unit once you turn it on has a quick little noise, and that's just to fill it up. Fill up the hose, make it so that there's always a continuous flow. There's no lag like with the pump sprayers. This is also nice because it is a very wide, as you can see, spray. And you can also just quickly, flip it over to get the underside because you want to cover both the top and bottom of the leaf to try and prevent or cure the fungicide or issue that you're going to be facing. The backpack spray is around $200. It has 4 gallons. I use the concentrated mix, and then you put some water in there. Call it a day. It really works fantastic. I've had it for over a year now. I really enjoy it. It works super easy. It lasts for a long time. The battery is more than sufficient, the one that it came with. I do have a backup battery if necessary, but I haven't actually had to use that. If you have a larger property, I'm sure you're probably going with something larger than this anyway. This is going to be plenty for our small orchard here, as well as for maintaining the paths in the woods. The other option that you might be coming across as like a potential option is the pump sprayers. And I've had several over the years, and it works, they're 30, 40 bucks, but they end up breaking. You end up buying multiple because they break. They're only about a gallon or so per container, so you're gonna have to refill it quite often. You're also pumping nonstop. This is hands-free, it's a breeze. It's very easy to do. You can see I'm covering this nice Bing tree here, and it is very easy to manipulate, get inside without getting close. It's super comfortable overall. It's super easy to fill. Clean out is just a breeze. You spray it, pump it out, turn it on, spray out the excess water, good to go. And then you can just toss it on a shelf till you're ready to go for the next time. Overall, I really like it. That's why I got 2. So I hope this was helpful for you and it guided your decision in some way. If not, see you back next time anyway.